Hi, welcome back to another edition of the Parnes Farm. Yeah! Hey, it's Sunday Fun Day. You know what we're gonna do on this awesome Sunday Fun Day? We are gonna plant hops. That's right, you heard it, hops. So we're gonna get going. We've never done this before. You've probably never done this before, but together at the Parnes Farm, under this glorious sun, in front of our glorious chickens, we shall together plant hops. Boom! Okay, so let's look and see what we got going on here today. So this is, I literally just opened this box. It came from Operation Rhizome. I think they're in Maine, somewhere up north. And that's Maurice, the space rooster. And all right, so let's see what we got. So some Sterlings. Look at how the little shoots are coming off. Cool, that's just really, really rad. Centennial for Centennial Park in the ATL. Maurice the chicken has been there. And Cascade, that's a very, actually all three of these are pretty common, but that's very common. And look, I got some baby hot plant premium fertilizer. Looks delicious. And of course, some hemp rope. Yeah, Maurice approves. So hey, it's time to get busy. Let's find the shovel and start digging some holes. Yeah, come on!
We're going to the barn to see what kind of poles we have, so we can grow our hops.
Here's our stables at the Parnes Farm. Good time emporium. Chickens. All right, we're in search of materials. So there's some McPosty posts. There's a couple old rickety posts, and there's a couple metal posts. What shall we do? Oh, look. Oh, cement. Quick. Yeah, get you some. You want some of this? Well, this is really heavy. You don't push me. All right, let's see if I can throw these over. Yeah! Holy mother of the great spirit and the Lord above us. That's better. Ha-ha! Hi, welcome back to the Parnes Farm. Hope you're having a great day. It is a glorious gift from the heavens above this day we are having. So, I don't know if you're like me, but maybe you just picked up like 5 bags of concrete and just went, I'm just gonna move this today. And a bunch of like ginormous like phone poles, like, oh, wow, it's really heavy, but I'm feeling good. So I hope you're feeling good too. But we have a plan. Follow me, if you will. Walk this way. So check it out. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts. So the wife and I decided that the best course of action is to make it look like number 5 when you roll your dice. You know what I'm saying? A 5. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts. And we're gonna run some wires and lines, and everything's gonna grow up and be happy under this beautiful North Georgia sun. So, without further ado, let's get digging! All right, we're digging it today on this glorious, beautiful day. So, the hole, yeah. Well look, I've had this thing for ages. I've never even used it. Post hole digger. Works pretty well. Look, it's just boom, 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 and you're good to go. And it makes the perfect size hole for one of these bad boys. So I got me like a half a bag of concrete, Quikrete, not a sponsor, not yet at least. And I got my handy dandy hose, which runs all the way from back there. We're gonna start getting these posts in. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Thanks, pow! Okay, welcome back. Post number 1 in the ground. So check it out. So I dug my hole. I showed you that, right? Then I poured a little concrete in there with my little baby shovel. Stirred it up with my hose. Let's see how we did. Just put it in. Hadn't missed anything. Look, pretty good. Look at the little bubble. Boom. Boom. Pretty good. That's perfect. Pop them. Perfect. Now, 4 more to go. If only I had a helper to help me dig some of these holes. Boom! Yeah, get you some, Alley Cat. Do it.
Holes with this awesome thing for our posts that we're gonna be.
Yeah, watch those toes is all I always say. Look at her go.
Farm attire. You gotta do it in a cute little black dress.
Looking good, babe.
Okay. Now I need a cold one.
Yeah, that could be arranged.
All right, he's got 1 post in. We have 4 more to go. He's digging the holes right now.
Robots do compute.
That post digger is the bomb.
Robots do compute. It's more fun to compute. Hi, welcome back to the Parnes farm. So as you can see, we're making pretty good progress. Look at this beautiful day. Wow, what a gift. It is amazing today. But look, check this out. Look. So we have a plan. And look, we've got bags of rhizomes, I tell you. So this is gonna be great, but you know, we gotta do now. You know what we have to do now? We have to dig a lot of holes. Hole. So hey, here's part of our plan. I ran a rope to give me a straight line, right? So I can kind of see what I'm doing. And look, we got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 of these bad boys. And these are the cascades. Cascades, right? Sure, the cascades.
Okay, so one thing for the audience. You want to make sure that you plant them at least 3 feet apart if they're the same species, right? And then if they're different varieties, you want 5 feet apart.
5!
So in our case, our posts are about 45 feet. So we're going to plant 1 hop every 6 to 7 feet, right?
Yep, exactly. You can see I just walked them off so it was every like 1 giant squat step.
Okay.
So look, check it out. So cascades, it came in this little baggie, and so we just got them. So now we just got to dig a lot of holes, and then we'll do the next ones, and then we'll show you how we're going to do the 3rd one, which is going to be like the secret bonus one. It's going to be awesome. So sit tight, let's start digging some holes. Yeah! Today, right now, this very second, here at the Parnes farm, we're going to talk about the hole. Oh, it's a beautiful hole. It's the most important part of this process. So we have dug a hole, approximately 1 foot deep, 1 foot wide, but this one's probably about 16 wide and I don't know, 14 deep. Anyway, got my rhizome. We're gonna lay it down, boop, facing up if we can figure out which way's up. And when we do that, we're gonna mix our baby hop plant premium fertilizer. So it's like little pebbles. So we're gonna mix a little of this. Hopefully it gets the pH up to the right levels. I don't know, I think it was like a 7 or something, 7 to 9. But anyway, look, see, I just sprinkled some of these bad boys on there. They just kind of stir it around. We're making brownies, if you know what I mean. Okay, that's good. Let's put a little bit more. Just a little bit. All right, plenty. Good enough for me. Okay, so look. Now, we need to fill the hole in with loose dirt. Let's mix.
So the rhizomes don't grow in tightly packed soil, so you have to really work the soil, and then you're going to put it back in the hole with the fertilizer to about ground level, right?
Ground level. Hey, interesting fact for you fact lovers out there. A hop is actually a vine, not a vine. Did you know that? I don't know, it's kind of weird. And check this out. When they grow, they like to follow like a lot, like hemp rope is recommended. They grow clockwise. They're little tendrils. So there you go. You only want female plants too, because females shall inherit this earth. All right, we're getting there. All right, almost to ground level. Oh, that worked.
But you need some to cover it though.
Oh no,
Like
going to ground level.
4 inches, right?
I'm going to ground level. We have achieved ground level.
Dirt.
Ground level. The rhizome is so beautiful. All right, can you see this? This is really cool.
Yep.
I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, but
You're gonna find out.
it's gonna. All right. This is going just like that. Look, that's just beautiful. Just totally beautiful.
Now you just
I'm gonna cover
it
it with 4 inches worth of my awesomeness.
Alrighty.
Sweet.
So that's number 3. We've already got 2 other ones, 2 other mounds going. So we're just gonna keep going along.
Thanks for watching. This is pretty fun. Do it, dump the dirt. Look at that, isn't that a thing of beauty? Good job, honey. These are awesome. Okay, well, back to work. More holes. You can see I kind of started them. And you can see the rhizome sitting on top. There's Jojo, the go-go. Yeah. All right. Update time. What do you say? Update time. Look at Allison go. You go, Allison. Plant them hops, yo. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are cascades. So hey, pretty cool stuff. So we're working on Centennial right now, but you can see what we're doing, right? Right, Mike. How do you do? Well, look, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hopses, 4 rhizomes. Boom.
Here's the last one.
Sun up to sundown. That's how we spent this beautiful day. Every day's a gift. Every day above ground, it's a win. So look, check it out, check it out, check it out. It looks pretty good. I've got sterling, 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 centennial, 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 all the way through Cascade. So, all right, so we got everything. So now we're just covering it up. I got my mulch here in the back of handy dandy Go-Go the JoJo. Nice big scoop. Nice big scoop.
What's the purpose of the mulch on top of the mounds?
The mulch is just gonna protect it. It's gonna keep the moisture inside of it, keep it cooler from the heat. If it gets too hot, it'll insulate it, and it'll just generally protect it so it doesn't get all muddy. All right, looking pretty good. Ooh, I missed one.
So then we're gonna water a little bit, and it is the end of April.
It is what, April what, 26?
So these should be ready to harvest in August or September. So
Thank you for watching.
we're excited to see once they start to sprout. We're gonna get some twine, some hemp, and
Hemp rope.
make a really great trellis.
Trellis, it's all about the trellis. It's a vine, remember that. It's not a vine, it's gotta be a vine. So hey, it's Big Mike from the Parnes Farm signing off for this episode. Thank you, Allison. Thank you out there in YouTube land or wherever you're watching this video. May you have a blessed day. May blessings and peace come your way. Right on, man. Yeah, thank you.